At siguro, and I could say mag-inspire pa kayo to hear the story of our brethren, no, na naservehan nitong ating medical mission for 2025 here in Lalo, Cagayan. So, ayun na nga, mga kamed. Ito na po yung ating pagtatapos ng ating unang araw ng ating
First-timer.
medical mission. Hello po, tita. Pwede po kayo ma-interview? Pangalan po.
Carmen Sumayaw?
And so far, tita, ano po yung first time nyo po?
Yes, first time.
So far, tita, ano pong experience nyo po sa inyong first time na pag-attend o pag-join ng medical mission?
Oh, it's nice to know that we're able to help a lot of people. Marami sa kanila, well, I'm assigned to the vital signs department and triage. Marami sa kanila, they don't even know na hypertensive na sila, na hindi sila nagte-take ng maintenance. Some of them will take the medicine only for 2 weeks and then stop taking it.
The
So, we sit down with them and as much as we can, explain to them the importance of taking their maintenance continuously.
One word to say, tita, sa unang araw ng medical mission. One word.
Tiring.
But?
Fulfilling. Yes.
Tiring but fulfilling. So thank you po, Tita Carmen, for joining the medical mission. Karamihan po pala sa kanila, first time na attend ng medical mission. Yung mga volunteers natin from USA, this is their first time to attend the medical mission. So more stories siguro sa mga susunod na mga araw. Kausapin natin sila kung ano yung experience nila, and for sure, you will be inspired hearing these stories, especially sa mga pasyente din natin na masiserbihan nitong medical mission. So, mga kamed, ito yung unang araw ng ating medical mission. More stories to come and see you sa susunod na araw.